Keep heading everyone. Divisibility rule of 10. Divisibility rule of 10. A number is divisible by 10 a number is divisible by 10 a number is divisible by 10 keep heading divisibility rule of 10. A number is divisible by 10 a number is divisible by 10 if its units digit is if its units digit is 0. If once a place digit is coming 0, then I can say the given number is divisible by 10. Example, first example, 5430. In this example, students, you are observing once a place a digit is 0, then I can say this number is divisible by 10. Second example, 8465. Once a place a digit is 5, not divisible by 10. If once a place a digit will come only 0, then I can say the given number is divisible by 10. Third example, 450. Once a place a digit is 0, divisible by 10. Next keep heading, divisibility rule of 11. Very interesting concept and very easy. Divisibility rule of 11. Divisibility rule of 11. Keep heading, divisibility rule of 11. A number is divisible by 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 11 if the difference of the sum of if the difference if the difference of the sum of if the difference of the sum of the alternate digits the alternate digits the alternate digits is either 0 or divisible by 11. is either 0 or divisible by 11. Is either 0 or divisible by 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of the alternate digit is either 0 or divisible by 11. Now all students stop writing, concentrate here. How to check the given number is divisible by 11? Concentrate everyone, stop writing everyone. All students stop writing. Yes. How to check the given digit is divisible by 11? Concentrate everyone here. Don't write, listen carefully. Example first. Suppose I am writing one digit 81895. First example I am writing 81895. 81,895. I want to check this digit is divisible by 11 or not. How to check this digit is divisible by 11? Very easy concept. First digit is 8. I will take plus. Second is minus, plus, minus, plus. This is the sequence plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. First digit is 8, 8. Second is minus. Third is plus. Fourth is minus. And last is plus. This is the sequence. First digit is plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Plus 8, minus 1, plus 8, minus 9, plus 5. Now how to solve? I want to check like term and unlike term. In this question, plus 8, plus 8, plus 5. 8 plus 8, 16 plus 5, 21. Minus, minus 1, minus 9, minus 10. Now 21 minus 10 is equal to 11. 11 will come 11 table. Yes. Then I can say 81,895 is divisible by 11. Again, listen, students, how to solve. Whatever digit they have given, first digit I will take positive, minus, plus, minus, plus. First plus 8, minus 1, plus 8, minus 9, plus 5. Now I want to check where is positive sign, where is negative sign. Plus 8, plus 8, plus 5. Both, all three digits are positive. Then 8 plus 8, 16 plus 5, 21. And negative sign is minus 1, minus 9, minus 10. Now 21 minus 10 is equal to 11. I hope students you got it, how to solve, how to check the given number is divisible by 11. Second question. Listen carefully, don't write. If I will say, then note down. Second question. 1331. 1331. Again, first step, what how to do? Firstly, I want to mention sign. First sign is plus, minus, plus, minus. First is plus 1, minus 3, plus 3, minus 1. Again, I want to check plus sign and minus sign. Plus 1, plus 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Minus 3, minus 1, minus 4. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. I have given clear concept how to check the given number is divisible by 11. If difference of the sum of alternate digit is either 0 or divisible by 11, here is coming 0. Then I can say 331 is also divisible by 11. One more example I am writing, concentrate. Third example, 5480. I want to check this digit is divisible by 11 or not. How to check? Firstly, I want to mention sign. I want to mention sign. First sign will be plus, minus, plus, minus. Now 5 minus 4 plus 8 minus 0. Now I want to check plus sign and minus sign. Plus 5 plus 8. 13 minus 4. What is answer? 9. 9 will come in 11 table. No. Then this digit is not divisible by 11. Note down, everyone. Yeah, now keep heading. Those have completed. Divisibility rule of 12. Divisibility rule of 12. Divisibility rule of 12. A number is divisible by 12. A number is divisible by 12. A number is divisible by 12 if it is divisible by 3 and 4 both. If it is divisible by 3 and 4 both. A number is divisible by 12 if it is divisible by 3 and 4. Whatever digit they have given, if I want to check given digit is divisible by 12, then that value will satisfy both condition. First condition, divisible by 3. Second condition, divisible by 4. Then I can say the given digit is divisible by 12. Example, example first, 144. I want to check this digit is firstly divisible by 3 or not. How to check? Sum of all digit. 1 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 9. Yes, divisible by 3. Again, I want to check this digit is divisible by 4 or not. How to check? If last two digit is divisible by 4, then I can say that number divisible by 4. Last two digit was here 44. This is case first. Case second. Second case is what? Last two digit is 44 divided by 4. Yes, answer has come 11. This number also divisible by 4. If this digit is divisible by 3 and 4, then I can say hence 144 is also divisible by 12. Hence 144 is also divisible by 12. Example 2. 342. 342, I want to check this digit is divisible by 3 and 4 or not. How to check? The sum of all digits. 3 plus 4, 7 plus 2, 9. Divisible by 3, yes. Divisible by 4, last two digit is 42. Divisible by 4, no. Then this digit is not divisible by 12. This digit is satisfying only one condition. That is condition is this digit is divisible by 3 but not divisible by 4. Then I can say this digit is not divisible by 12. 342 is equal to 9 divisible by 3. This is case first. Case second. I want to check last two digit is 42. 42 will completely divisible by 4. No, it will come in decimal. That's why we can say this digit is satisfying only first condition, second condition not satisfying. Then I can say 342 is not divisible by 12. Hence, hence 342 is not divisible by 12. Now I am going to explain students very interesting concept, factor tree. Everyone likes factor tree. Keep adding everyone. Factor tree. Keep adding everyone. Factor tree. Factor tree is a special diagram. Factor tree is a special diagram factor tree is a special diagram. Factor tree is a special diagram where we find the factors of a number. Where we find the factors of a number. Then the factors of those numbers, then the factors of those numbers then the factor of those numbers then the factor of those numbers, comma, until 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 we can't factor anymore, until we can't factor anymore. Factor tree is a special diagram where we find the factors of a number, then the factors of those numbers until we cannot factor anymore. Example first, find the factor of find the factor of 48. 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 Concentrate everyone here. I want to find out factor of 48. How to find? Concentrate everyone here. Digit is what? 48. Again 48 I want to divide by least number. Least number is what? 2. 48 divided by least number. Digit is 2. If I have divided, if I have divided if I have divided by 2, then 48 divided by 2, what will come? 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 24. Again 24, I want to divide by least number. Least number is what? 2. Now 24 divided by 2. 24 divided by 2, what will come? 12. Again 12 I can divide by 2. It will come 6. Again 6 I can divide by 2. Again 6 I can divide by 2. 6 divided by 2, answer has come 3. Now what is the final answer? This is not final answer. 48 is equal to 2, 24, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the final answer. Draw everyone this figure. Second example, draw factor tree of 120. Example 2, draw factor tree of 120. Example second, draw factor tree of 120. Solution. Firstly, 120 I want to divide by least number. Students, listen carefully. Here we will apply all divisibility rule concept. Firstly, I want to check 120 is divisible by 2 or not. Yes. 120 divisible by 2 or not. Yes. Then what answer will come here? 60. Again 60 divisible by 2 or not? Yes. What answer will come? 30. Again I want to check 30 divisible by 2 or not? Yes. What answer will come here? 15. Again 15 is divisible by 2 or not? No, because once the place digit is 5. Again I want to go divisibility rule of 3. 5 plus 1, 6. Then I will divide by 3. And answer will become here 5. Then 120 is equal to 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. Into 5. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. If you will multiply this students all factor, answer will become 120. If your answer is not coming, then your answer is wrong. Your figure is wrong. Now, now students, I am going to explain about HCF and LCM. Now keep reading everyone. Highest common factor. HCF. Highest common factor. Yeah. Firstly, students, I will take